datna semshana shok chache se dikpe las mo spangatna tu unas panche se no rama chikta bacha chadu hale ramare re setar tanches kuspu no kaspu no hale mata tang moshis me kya shak mata mizajes kuri jaste setar sonte no shums don kan jure tek tuksam kuri nasam singe ta lameka mangpo yot lameka na tsam se khakshi shu ina in to mimang ona tsapingi itu zo shkul tang sem so ale 다 롱자 속보도 정말 어게래죠. 다양때 오주르 발레. 지로고 정말 몰라래 지로. 해야지. 다 그러지 소년 나서 지스 볼래. 올해 이죽지로 볼래. 다상하다 초스초전에 나 많이 원에 망포탕 차노. 할래 율율라 차노. 야가라 버버 초스탕스는 지가나 초스빅탕스노. 바스톤 지교전에 이죽 롱락 땅나 나탄칸에 따르르세스탄에 알리 예토 이슈스탕아 이와 코린 아와 코린레. 마노 스킵백 쫓피나 나타에케네 가스톤 직 쫓피나 마네 테네다 롱락 따치 마네 코랑 할래. 남 코랑 아티 고 밥상 따룽가 따 칙미굴레. 다 초식 조선에 yang atan sapik duk zane objal jishkyot zane ta mimang mangkete gyar juksa nokte kashiga objal tonse tamane tangme ra dash ketpa zumotan ta pikmo zumotan azase kok lans dupa ngete zane jot pale sange se teu multi dupa zumo chelmo je gelche se pia zumo chunjun ngata tene zot gosanok multi du gele spejana ngata so zumo sokpo jigotna so zumo metkan chochis pia so put zane zumo yono pale nyom pe zumo ngata gelche se pia itsos ngata tene chos nyanches 초세가 나타났더니 토스바 삼파 곰파 추체스포 대전에 어비알 잡익 시켰던당 즉 좆고사노 주루파 어비알 요드냐나 문나 잡익 조다잣 주치세 다 라메 카테오송 테나네 다상 나타타 라메스콜라 스토테 냠포 잡익 주스당나 삼발레 라마즈 간보 상기자스 캡순초 초자스 캡순초 긴돌스 캡순초 나타 주오노 이나 고에가 나타났더니 양 파르파리아 Skemdo sum yung dugi na skemdo jia yung chende. Lama la skep sun chose kanji gomeka. Tene sangi zar skep sun cho, tene chose zar skep sun cho, tene gindu la skep sun cho jemirole. Te on deja shinga miji tiara. Te uchi pie no ziste. Te uchi pie no juna. Lama kuri nankuga konchok sumka sang sukya. Sangi chose gindu sumka. déjà nyoma savez le mien kawang salzane isu lungjar na chalpa mampo dans bale tezanta mane savez le makora sam gi mikya pe mane tak dil mampo big tezane savez le mola mane koran tai choshkyon shoma gon tuk state no mola mi gona na sa sarti to hale majade chi koran savez le me juktis yo koran tuk pasan temshi tamo mayos mi mas mampo jamane yo tuk pasan chalpa tan sam ma tamo yo lungjar tan sale inang mi gona ma koran ta pachanduk izuk sunjus nya bojustu oyo 당 아타테네 라마 조노레 라마 제칸보 사첸 mek titik dugle mata lama choshing mata dasa sosurshke lama ngaja choshi juang ta maner sa ngaja de chichang monokte tsawe lama skam gum chorik kungun pebzane sangesken ziruk migune te tatpa chonokole lama zekanbo ngata chiper sachen mote gosheseno lame ka chiper sigosheseno lame chilla pongata chipe majuk sano kazo jugoshis jugano त्यसकोला नि चेक्सुम जुनियाले तनो बियाल तो ग्याङ अतान चेक म्योंगो न ओबियाल शो द ड्रो सपेक्स ने यांग इंग्लिश न कोवा चेक्सुम जुस्ट न इकने अतान तने भिडियो चुरुक पतने को इंग्लिश न चेक्सुम जुस्ट न अता शोल्ताना लमा जेकन बोती बे खाक्सन मो छोरा रख्याले गिना ओना दिरि सफा संगे जाला nga majale guru buji jala nga majale jibsun tol majalale papar chandra jala shakya tuba jalale jambe yang jala nga majale ngena ngona jalte yudde kashi jalte yudde chibada mangpo jiga jalte medule chose zekan bong sachin moyi nokle matang go gas takse borono kangpe nang na changme sang ata kangpe topo toshok po chonokle changme sang go ga chonok chokang chonokle te na ate nga ta kharcha choste shingskos tangste te ka te ni chotpe lhamogu nga ta risk te mana sti tangste tena skunda na nyapong atang pura nokle specha pura nokle chos pura nokle sachen mo ino ina chos nguchi nokle dis tangani kitab jigi nokpa dirin sakpa kitab specha odunna portena chos pe nyarang ona chosha tangsa specha we nyarang ona chosha tangsa matangsle budik sil sistemetna chos tontak po hago metna goi ka specha samjir gap nang specha tontak po hago jismano specha zostang tukpa chokla skol te ngata zostang na chos tontak po hago jis mirukle ta gendun jono genduni nane te ngata daksa skapsu chachise te ngata daksa gendun bujona pak스페 gendun jono da 파파르처에서 집주들 맞아 주죠. 장주 셈바 소리. 콩문에 갖다 맞아라. 정말 두스칸고. 정말 두스칸지. 어디 좋아? 상계에서 수다 주스칸 뭐 수독잖아. 세웰라마도 게. 콩에 톡스 부케트나 상계스. 숨스 부케트나 초스. 술 부케트나 겐둔 죽스도 갈래. 세웰라메는 고가 창마상 바상. 세웰라마 갖다 건축 숨상 카토 버테. 상계 샤케토 바상 마게스 nganla obgyal chamchi namsu du ziksa namtar gurina stagmolu jinza nogle nepala nasu kya te room so kena na ngena guna kashi kena do ba te ka ngana sanges changchu sempa inzane sanges lame ka dulzane skawa chatzane sonan gi chok dang yeshes ki chok sakzane dikpa metkan chozane gewa sakzane skalpa mangpoji sanges obgyal namskya gewa mangpoji sanges obgyal namskya 대전에 상계 장주 sempo진겨 겐둔 소스다 겔롱 소스 주스도 장마지 요가 상계스테네 tukdama 죽스겨 롬 겹서 죽스겼다 체스타스 주스도 없잖아 대가 스타모 죽겨 스타모 투구 잡스겠겨 롯파 산테스 도스겨 스타모 고니치 죽겨 롯파 스토사치나 투구 같이 조스도겨 다테 스타모 머른데스 도스겨 고마나 투구 삼바 조스탄 고세나 삼스고 삼바 코린제네겨 ina ngi chugu dikpari samse zama photo du sukya ta zukspon kamzor song chanya na mikya samcha janma go zachi sebya stagmo ngoni chi sani zamedo kushu phatingi zamedo song basang samchan zagos samchan tet gos te chi se tagat met pasang luskakle sanges te zani changju semba song basang ngon ken kya tene sanges ke kya stagmo we kuri chu zachi sinti du pasang sanges kuri luspo stagmo jin patang pasang stagmo luji jono dikpa dakches nang gewa sakches pya sange se ma skawa mang posha da zakya sange se ma naks mang bukur dekya da sangata I dulbe na yongchenle jataka tales zemira jataka tales english ken kan gulla sange se namtari nokpa tena ziksang te chosna mane sange se obgyal mang punam skya skalpa mang pe nam skya sawela ma chipya ngata sigosano sawela ma ngata chipya sachin mothano te ton tak juksen ba juste mangena munna 다사 마티 사회라마고 나라라에 사회라마 스페장나 gelong dukpas kuntin chungispa sange shake to pasang station mo inazena ni pe inle sange shake to badiri samanga jalmashis sange shake to ba jal juk te yotsane te zena ngas kewan inchese sodis kampo sode met pasang kewan in mayan gurum buche sang station mo inazena gurum buche sang station mo inle gurum buche jalga masals pakpa chandra yang Papar Chandra Zina, Jibsu Dolma Sachin Muilazana, Inle, Kumun and Jalga Masals, Gumpo Lutriman Jalga Masals, Jiwalagun and Jalga Masals, Miller Respect Jalga Masals, take good some Sachin Muile. Matan Dasa Savelama, Skushalopanga Ticho Juskan, Gelong to Pasoshan, Spejastana, Sanges Tamchin Duspe School, Zemirole, Sanges Tangmal Duskan School to Shinopole, Sanges Chick Duspe School, Dorje Chang Duspe School, Gurumbuchil duspesku, Jiptun Dulmal duspesku, Jamirupa. Sanges Tamchin duspesku, Jamirole. Sanges Sangmasa. Sanges Sangma Duspe Mata Chilab Chostan, Tessan Chilachin Munjo. Gardinchen Munjo. Shaket Tupani Choste, Dasangatan Save Lamatsapa, Lamatsam Jipsuka, Sangesam Jipsuka. Kongachilla Chiga Topte, Chigichilla Chiga Topte, Koreching Chiga is woman, Oma looking Libachina, Jugi Korean Oma Matang, Oma Sangmeng and Mata, Koritsam, Oma Luxicos, the Oma Unique Lucica, the Shulbo. Matis Savela Matsoshigina, Sangesha Shakatuba Korans and Sachin Unojuna, Jungin Cherame. Lama Goma Samechilla Potaina Dusica, Sange Tamchin Duspe Kuzegane, Tonta Potato Shimana Esamarane. Sanges guni jalka masala no matar sewe lama guni korang sanges ne nokte sam jindu korbe no korskewa nente tulpe skui sulaskewa nente mata minak paguna lams tan chesipia jaga chiga mano jaga ngesa mano jisten gangpo atene obdalam se phepsa no pale kadin chen mo no sachin mo lame kadin sam chesipia ngi diring siksum jin samba dasa sange shaketu bi misal bi ga chiksong stana sange sange chesipia skalpa tame sum tsoshi khungone skalpa tame sum zena ta lomang po no hale skewa mang po no tezu shi khung atene obdalam skle dikpa mi chuches gewa chuches semba dul chuches las bu chuches kale tene zote sange skle tena tsosa ngata sawe lama mati sawe lama justa ngata sawe lama tsangpa gere nganna justa na tene khong sawe lama tsangpa gere ngani khorang gumar sawe lama tsangpa gere namtar jiksa kazuk gyal namang panapsu dugle kazuk duba nyamlin zati dugle kazuk khong tene mane jaga kane karo phepste kachu juste hale tena kachu jukan beka tuksam salte te goma zate sangisti mirole te scoaching rimjon bot asangati chulo juksukya Matang kartes khungun chokla sangeshi sipia skalpa thambe sum chok sak gosatna skalpa thambe sum da borang losum mata chama dungyana sangyana no ijes mata ra faidi pe no chama chachisbo chos chochisbo chos nyanchisbo nyankan pe ga sampatang chisbo tenite gomchisbo thospa sampa gompa chochisbo mata ra faidi pe molte nokte ina ngata tezam elochani nokle chongyana manokle skalpa thambe sum ta awbra ता ngata yale sangeshi sepia iu lame naljor jane sarpo bolte dupole nganma chunjane lo chonga churuk jane shmondo guma taspele shante nasto ajan jone ju hale ma shante nasto lo chunji bone mano joshe nangota chakchen mundo jes pasang shmondo titke justena chakji phultang kan jostena lakchi na tichi igyeji sakan jostena kle lakchi na tichi ya tene mendalji phulkan jostena kle lakchi na tichi te guntang hago juk be lame naljor zekan bo guru yoga zekan bo तेगा चपिक गक पलेता चपिक नरगे ला सोंग सिंजो त लमा जन्मा जिसने चिनब जुस क्योंगुस दो स्कुई चिनला लला जो सुंगी चिनला ngang la जो थुगी चिनला ए ला जुस गंज ओमे आ होंग हो चना मेन जो लामे स्कु जिकन सुरी सांगेस कुंद चवे ला माला गुजुम गुजबा चिमे सोलवान दे जिकन सुरी मंगपुर रिसिल गुस दो ओंग गुस दो लामे नंजोर जिकन बो मा तेसम छि हामागुले मुंडो गुमा तांजारे मुंडो निस्पा तांजाने ठिटका चपिक सिलपिन Lama sekolah capik sampai tangspi. Lama tatpa capik skeci thap suspin le. Lama ka capik nyankan suspin. Tatpa capik skekan suskan ejasti ina cishi. Lama cila betsuli ina cishi. Tatpa cila bujuk ina cishi. Kuliah sampai kurba hale. Tasang ngata especially na sawe lama Quran sosigina Quran sangesino. Soan. Kaltes lama ngata tatpa na nyampo. Tamcik na nyampo. Lama ka nyanat na. Lamea ngata tikur chodna tatpa chodna tene ngata churana tsoksa intik duk samara ngari samba tsokshikina churan che tsokshi pipe tsokshikina pipe ji tang sokyak lame skune ketena ngati lusin nangkuga pipe ji tang sokyak le tenane lame chila bi chu ngati zukspena juksingyo samara kale pipe nispa tang sokyak churan che pipe le rabade pipe nispa tang sokyak lame sung ne ketena ngati tutu mate je ngati ngak chapa tuchi se pipe ji tang sokyak tena lame sungi chila bi chu ngati ngage na ko timse nokle pipe sumpek tang sokyak lame thuks ne matir ninga chapa pipe jipek tang sokyak lame tene chidishin sku sung tuk yonten tilles juno dia nokle tene ngati stewa chosi juna tesa pale ta zo jona ngata rugo sum juno dia no lus na isum mata lus ki tipa dakche se pya lame lus ki chila topse nokle 스쿠이 진납 탑세. 나타 나기 디파 닥체세피아 나게 촉수남 삭체스 나게 디파 닥체세피아 라메 수미 진납 탑세노 팔레. 세메 나타 딕립 닥체세피아 라메 투기 진납 탑세노 팔레. 테 창망 나타 딕립 장체세피아 스칼파 창메 숨 상게 샤게 투파 촉상 나타 스강알 버도 쿠르냐나노 자나 쿠르년치시 마노사 마노 팔레. 나로파 촉상 마르파 직상 칠로 Milarespa ziksanle, samji naks kurti dugle. Milarespa lama marpa nopa. Milarespa tene mimang po jikta tutangse shokcha chos pasang gyotpa chenmo yoskyak. Tene lama marpa jalkyak samekena nopa namtarta. Karsum jangazat kya karsum jangazat zane 대전에 JCB 메키야 딱 집어 메키야 그리스 켓페 같은 도와 kurte는 카르숨이 장스케 직 장아체나 식죽스케 양 돌럭스 쿠르치스케 쿠르티 케르죽스케 니스파 장스케 양식 죽스케 라마마르페 딕파 닥치세피야 잠시 낙스 쿠르티 두글레 마타 테삼 낙스 쿠르고 사미룩파 마타 낙스 치쿠르고 두그세나 샤자고 사미룩레 코리옥 상라 보르고 두글레 라메 살카네 카왕 카초스나 칼롭 자메카 나탄 둘고시스 두게레 마네 리삭 두글레 마네 룽닝 마타 마네 룽 소리긴도 카왕 카초스닝긴도 라메 살도 살라메로즈나 살두글레 라마 카식테 살체만 카초스만에 살체만 카왕만에 살체만 마티 사벨라메 초스직포만파 마네 지스테네 라마 나타 스타나 자테 이잠 나타 마네 코랑 오겔 망포 남스데 로중 마테 유라 펩스노 마 카디친 모노 사마라 벨레 테피아 미망 사마타 망포 주고스도 미룩 상마 tatpa yotteno nga samane dab stongchi ki tatpa ngena ngona yukya itu ji skul tangsen ba tulku ki sombasang ta ngena ngol juna tas kya orkya mo juano ngena ngol tsapik ta sta dukan chupik chongshi no ta yonta ni chang mekya ginda sta tsapik dukan chopa tulku ji min kurtang sabasang koshen chane kor izuk stonga je gontang sabasang sta tsapik dukan chupik chongshi gino lames kunduna tsapik nya tsori dukan chopa chongshi gino lama tsapik dunni jalpasang 대우시 말이 삼차리 가신 게라구나 주스탕스 바할레 라마 달록 비초체스 라마 상게 순두파 미루 좀 multi미로 당데네 카스부둑 발레 건조 마타 판치시피아 라마 장돈 께잖아 장돈 자스 메캬레 장돈 마네 마타 판치시피아 마네 잘타 몰라마노 라메 샤 마자 몰자자네 칼테스 마타 셈찬지 샤자드나 라메 마유미 샤자칸 톡신 라메 야비 샤자칸 톡신 제자나 라마 코라이 드니 코레 셈찬 상마 마남카다 녜베 셈찬 뚜지 몰라미로 지물두글레 교랑고네 마 드니 남카다 녜베 셈찬 뚜지 몰라미로 빠 라마 코라 드니 스몰람 실자네 마남지 쿠르실자네 잠닝제 곰자니 코레이 아마 쪽신 몰라미로레 니스토 중기세나 주지 양 이미지 줄여놓고 거사벨라메 상마 갑견 살아라 주지로 인티교 데치진두비 까완살자네 카탄스킬라 이죽 장모 유틸레 चा दुन्ना तंग से चा माने तेने सवेला में छोपा मा भुला कलोप साले जुक्स पासंग माने चा तंग संगा चा खोनास्ता से दुक्स बिनाले नाम तुचे शेन समझ मा तरो इदु रखले तेजन सवेला में मोलारा शाजकन संग टेररिस्ट इन मोलारा स्टंची किन मोलारा अबे शाजकन इन मोलारा अमे शाजकन इन मोलारा मता ते चोशी कलोप खाशिक माने yang गोशेस में क्याले मती लूस पोस तक मो तंग गोशेस में क्या मेला रेस्पास वाला खर्च गोशेस में क्याले 마당 소대찬이 녹사마라 마티 출라 마티 콜라 상게스 스쿠샬롬파 펩세노 콩 가왕칼로 살라노 카초 살라노 다 작복하시니 콩다 펩시스 제외 조시 있대노 콩 펩스나 미망 상메 가왕카초 주체스 라메 칸얀체스 라마 펩사체나 잘카 차체스 지 잡시 주고시나 잡시 주체스 각천 모둑 데 미망 상메 둑사만 보르고시 둑삼세 상망이 다 지지 거랑 말이 초주나 미룩 랍자주나 미룩 삼차르 소싱이 마리타 니 스탐 카시 주스탐 소알레 이나 단디레타 달록주간 카시 요조 할레 이죽주룩 아죽주룩 지조스테노 지조스테마노 지치식 그리육 상라 보르고스 저르테오 초시노 아지치식 그리육 상라 보르체스 초시노 콜레 스템델 초시노 콜레 스템델 초르카 초스카조와 노주나 치노트 긴직테나 나슈르 기셈첸자노 콜레 다치라 스믹미라 초스 냥냥이라 아래 많이 말하니까 나군가서라 해 업절레죠 자픽스네 죽두스타 팀미라레 친노트 긴직테나 나슈르케 셈샨자노 콜레 코리옥 상라 보르체스페 스템들 보테 요테노 초스이노 토레 냐나고나 미지 젠나 이 나타 dak사마네 라마고나 Rinpoche skemnes koncho suno chotpa dangdere chotpa gyosa pul tang simonyang don solja amanya solja zagan ma kasbud gale konjo solji jaste dewa chene jinka mar kecha sintik duk solji jaste nyalwang chache sintik duk gale chotpa mapula ngata tungstang na rangdon samse pul tang chipa takho hale ko sange sa mapul pasang solji jaste solja danche se yang dangdire migune ta parpare last chitong jos juju babu ngaja last ajang le ju izuk mane shuguji last daftar re chazane o tatene ko solja donche se penek tango sanong zeruk pale solja donche se penek tango sana pene mangpo kirduk pale tene solji jaste jinkamang sange se jinkamang kecha sinti du chotparek pulte gewa sase solja donche se jaste nyalwang kecha sinti du samse solja zegan mutse kadar jogo sinti du gare ya ju ta mangpo jin miduk skusil modu tene ka mane lungspo lungra mangpo dukle songbasang samala tena juchesin tene ngata lame karsi goshes lama tatba joches lama talok michoches lame molkane ka dulna tesang chos takbo mekyakle tu se gozdom nang stunte lame kasala nokle ngan me tusla miguna korang chospa takpo inti duk songbasang lama gone kalop ka chos salzo alag yokyakle dang diri tusla ngatang rang kyongpo songbasang tene dul modul pasang lama gone ngatang tulche sipya kachos salzo kalop salzo sapi gyuja kyungseno to tenna lame ka nyanches kono chosino justen sole dasa koryu skola juna chino tenjikten na shu tesemshan zanokle koryu sangrate be bor zanokle chezena chino tenjikten zekan bo ngatan dasa I ri sa chu melung jungwa ji chokane I njikten bo nokpale nang chut ke semshan zena nang ko yut kan semshan ngatang buni nokle ngatang kharji karta to sena tapchen ngatang kharji kechi se pya chi chu ngatang ten katang go sanokle chu ganda chana sa ganda chana ngatang na chitu song kore ganda jigetna kore chitu jan jigetna khate chan jigetna tenon ko oma jig looks tangna oma ganda gyurchasino tena toksla koryuk po kates ngatang ganda lusna ngatang ra nochesino jus pasang tsailo me molche se tontak po ngatang tasa chosna nye pustun tana tontak po tezuk shigino khale stemdel jukan bo kashiga hamago basa dajiri chokan chosno damane kimsari turu damane sekal shulu damane izuk richuru mane jarma ji choshipya kawang ka choju salchipya kawang ka chosal skile no kole jukan yom rupa inna tene lame salkane ka khorang chusi no pale kimsa mi pangches shamisa ches koryuk sangra burches ngata ra tene rijung bo nyams michuk ches stanpa nyams michuk ches gompa gona japtok juches gendun gona japtok juches lama talok michuk ches lama sangge sinokte lama ngati chula mi chula yong stans pasang shkyon tongchele mata mi sugon mar sukpo konjogle mar sukpo pale jala miru jase bang mampo tong pale stingne lame skunduna jalte lame japshia songte lame skunduna jalte kule ta izuk churuk jeste mata lama mi chosla mata shkyon tongte no pale tezuk chaw mazat matang ma sudeshin mo no skalpa changmesu matang chok sak magospa ina cheshek lushi ga matang sangge se damnga sangge se tele lamstan kan rok chokan gendun lama chos sangma juksu kyakle rakpar tu mata tene himis chemre sospe mata ina tene gendun ni no chos inokle korang mane chang jugu shes mekyak chos se togastar ni dasa mane korang izam mane matang mata chos yarges change na complete change na inokle tsawela ma pepsin jina inok lojung lena tselpo nizre sunre pepsano matang maso de chani nok samara gele samay mimang samay to tugida borazat ta changmoduk nakung gaksera hale kula nangko chago shi dara kambal jigo dengi tang shi mar samara yajo samala tukji che today on the occasion of the 9th ADC, Annual Drukpa Council. Today on the auspicious occasion of the 9th Annual Drukpa Council and Naropa Festival of 2019 at the holy site of Hemis Monastery, among devoted followers, among reverend, venerable monks and nuns, I had been requested to give a brief, how can you say, Dharma talk or teaching. The majority of the audience here is Ladakhi, so I spoke mostly in Ladakhi. But then I would like to say a few things, a few words in English, just to recap, to how can I say, to communicate with English-speaking audiences presented here, or those who are watching on the computers, on their mobile phones from around the world, briefly about what I was talking about. I was mostly talking about the true meaning of the Dharma, how to look at the meaning instead of getting lost in the abundance of words, how to conquer one's mind by following one's guru, one's teacher, the importance of a teacher, especially in this day and age when times are degenerate, when our minds are clouded with selfish thoughts, selfish emotions, when we only think about ourselves, we do not think of our neighbors, let alone all sentient beings. The need of practicing Dharma in its purest form, especially in this day and age. That's what I was talking about. My root guru, His Holiness, the 12th Gyalong Drupa, he gives a lot of teachings. I've attended a lot of his teachings, empowerments, Dharma talks, oral transmissions, etc. But one common theme that binds all these teachings is vegetarianism. I used to be a heavy meat eater a few years ago. I couldn't give up meat. It was quite a difficult thing to do because of having a selfish mind, being attached to the taste of meat, not practicing compassion wholeheartedly from the bottom of my heart. It was a big challenge for me to become a vegetarian. Even though I had read and listened to lots of teachings from my guru about the importance of becoming a vegetarian, giving up meat. He often says that from the Buddha's teachings, do not commit any unwholesome deed. Try to accumulate as many good deeds as possible and to conquer one's mind. The first line is do not commit any unwholesome deed, basically sins. And he says that the first sin, the first unwholesome deed that is mentioned in the 10 unwholesome deeds is that of killing. He says that if you become a vegetarian, it is akin to saving someone's life, releasing life. In Boti we say Chetar. If you consume meat, if you are a non-vegetarian, it is akin to butchering an animal even though you don't do it yourself. And if you think about it, it seems to be true. Because of our selfish needs, because of our desire of a few seconds pleasure of the taste of meat, the taste of blood in our mouth, in our tongues, we kill an animal. Or we get someone to do it far away from where we can see. And that is because there is a demand. And if there is no demand, there cannot be a supply. What is the point? That is what he means. That is what I've come to realize. And that is what I practice. That is what I also preach wherever I go, whenever I can, about vegetarianism. I was sharing this beautiful quotation that I saw recently, Nubra Valley, Tirse village. It was a sticker that was stuck on a sticker stick, no? It was a sticker that was on a cupboard. And it said, animals are here with us, not for us. It made a lot of sense for me. It made a lot of sense to me. Some people say that animals, but I will just translate to you what I was also communicating to my Ladakhi people in Ladakhi language. I was telling them that some people say that animals are here for us to be eaten. They are food given by God or Almighty or someone. And they should be eaten because they are given to us as food. I believe that to be incorrect, my personal view. Because if you take an apple, for example, it grows slowly from becoming green, which is raw, yellow, which is almost ripe, to become red. And then you don't have to do anything at all. It falls onto your lap. Seems like nature has given us apples, apricots, fruits and vegetables to be eaten. It kind of makes sense when you think about it. But then when you apply the same logic to animals, it doesn't make any sense. If you say that animals are here for consumption, as food for us, it doesn't make any sense. Otherwise, why do we have to chase the animals that we need to butcher? Otherwise, why do we need to pluck their feathers? Why do we need to dissect them? Like a doctor who operates post-mortem, on corpses. Why do we have to clean their guts, their insides? Why do we have to cause them so much harm? Why do they scream if they are given to us as food? It doesn't make any sense to me. That is the meaning I got it from that sticker. Animals are here with us as our companions, as our friends, as our colleagues. Not for us as food, not for us as consumption. That is what I was trying to communicate to my fellow Ladakhis in Ladakhi language. After that, I spoke briefly about the importance of teacher. Guru, for example. When I used to practice, when I did my first proper practice, there is one practice called Guru Yoga. It didn't make much sense to me why the Guru was so important. Buddha, the enlightened being, the great enlightened Siddhartha Gautama, okay, great guy. His legacy, his stories still live on even after 2,600 years. Such was his impact on this world. Great guy. Guru Rinpoche, born from rays that emanated from the heart of Lord Amitabha, the Buddha of the Western realm, Sukhavati, Devachan. Born from rays that emanated from his heart, magically born. There are 4 kinds of birds. Born from womb, like how mammals are born from eggs, how birds are born, how insects are born, some insects I guess. Then born from heat, how most of the germs and bacteria and flies, etc., insects are born, and then magically born. Guru Rinpoche was magically born, a great, great master. His legacy still lives on. We still pray to him every month, Sipshu. The 10th of the lunar calendar, we pray to him, even though he's not among us. Great guy, a great enlightened being. But he's not with us. Have I ever seen him? No. Though I'm indebted to him, to his teachings, that still carries on. Have I ever seen Gautama Buddha? No. Have I seen the 1,000-armed Avalokiteshvara with 11 heads? No, I've not seen him. Have I seen the most beautiful, the most graceful Tara, who's like a mother to all sentient beings? I haven't seen her. She has not appeared to me to give blessings. She has not given me teachings directly. Who has given me teachings directly? Whom have I seen? To whom am I indebted to? My Guru. Though he is enlightened, he has no need to come to samsara, to be reborn among us. He has chosen to do that because of his limitless compassion and love and kindness to those of us who remain in this great ocean of misery. That's what we call samsara. He's come here to take us all, to liberate us. He walks among us as human beings. He communicates to us like human beings, like we do to each other. He has taken so much trouble to be born for the 12th time, 12 consecutive time, the 12 Gyalwang Drukpa, 12 consecutive time to be reborn among us to guide us. I'm more indebted to him. For me, he is more precious than Gautama Buddha. For me, personally, he is more precious. I respect him, I admire him even more than Guru Rinpoche, even more than Tara, even more than Avalokiteshvara. That is what I was conveying to my fellow Ladakhis here in Ladakhi language. I'm just translating briefly what I was talking about. It is very important to have immense faith to one's Guru. In this day and age, faith comes, faith goes. It's like a spark in some people. But in some people, it's like a furnace that cannot be extinguished by rumors, by their degenerate thoughts, by their samsaric views. Our conviction in our Guru, our path, has to be very strong. Otherwise, there's no hope for nirvana. There is no hope for liberation. Gautama Buddha, for example, before he got enlightened, he spent many eons on the path of the Bodhisattva to cleanse his bad karma and to accumulate good karma, good deeds, to escape from samsara. He spent many eons, even Milarepa. He got enlightened in one lifetime with one body, but he went through great hardships. If you look at Milarepa's biography, he went through great hardships. We don't have to go through that because a Buddha walks among us, because an enlightened being walks among us in the human form. We merely have to listen to his teachings, his advices, and to his guidance. We do that, I'm 100% convinced that we will improve as human beings. That is the sole aim of Buddhism, to improve as beings. Sometimes if you think about it, we are worse than animals. Animals do not have the capacity to harm others on a grand scale through warfare, through causing misery. But we do, we humans do. We have this great innate capacity to cause a lot of destruction. We need guidance for that. Doesn't matter how smart, how intelligent we think we are still ignorant beings. And for that, we need a good guide. And we are very fortunate to have this ultimate guide among us, whom hopefully we will see within a few days in Ladakh. Gyalwang Drukpa, the great 12 Gyalwang Drukpa, my root guru, all of our root guru. With that, I would like to end this teaching. It is quite chilly, a bit windy, my nose is blocked. I would like to go downstairs, have a nice cup of tea, wrap myself in a warm blanket, and I will see you during the following events of the Naropa festival. Thank you very much, Julie.
Ringyambo Raja Loba Bolo Zamboleno Balanjo Chendri Minya Jandulo Daloba Lorongaya Dangaya Nunu Yondan Dalonjo Jandu Damingan Damingan Genza Rimbo Jerio Bozangi Dojo Yeba Mamo Bayelodo Kolo Rinpoche, Nubo Rinpoche, Sumo Rinpoche, Lombo Rinpoche, Alamo Rinpoche, Tasu Rinpoche, Amabo Rinpoche, Dere Jimbo Yebo, Gimo Ma, Newa Ma, Lo Ma, Ga Ma, Mendo Ma, Dubo Ma, Nasa Ma, Dija Ma, Nima, Zawa Rinpoche, Dujola Nambarange Galza Uzola Dami Abajo Punzum Zoba Mazawa Mebanza Don Adanza Ninge Zume Bala Bajana Kasuki Zamo Lekbarando Begudin Taraki Yondo Bulwarangi Tujendo Vetandu Jesus Zina Jingela Tuzo Guru Idam Ranamanda Kani Adayami